Everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a layout for Cheeky Studio. This one is using the September kit, and if you haven't seen everything that's in the kit, it should be the video right before this one. And it came with a bunch of sketches, and I thought this is the perfect thing for me right now. I can just use a sketch, look at the papers, and get this page together. And this page came together pretty quickly. So I decided to go with the gray and the light pink. So you see I'm looking at all the papers in the kit. I'm looking at my sketch. I'm going to be using the one at the top right hand of the page sketch. And there's no numbers on the sketch, but I'm just kind of guessing. So the top part, it looks like maybe it would house some 4x5 pictures. That piece I cut at 4.5 by 12. Then the one that goes right underneath is 8 by 7. Then the banner beside it is about 3.25 by 6 or 7. You know, it's just got a tuck underneath that gray pattern paper. Then the one at the bottom is about 2.5 by 8. And then I matted my photos on the back side of that gray paper. It's a aqua pattern paper, so I matted my photos on that because I wanted to add a little bit of blue pattern papers with this. I go through the embellishments that were in this kit. There's the wildflowers set number 5, and then there's this kit from Close to My Heart, and in there was the words that I could spell out good times, and I thought it was perfect for this layout. And I just kind of set it there. There was also a little banner, and I'm kind of looking at the page. I'm kind of moving stuff around. There was a couple of banners on the sketch, so I just cut them out from leftover pattern papers. I did punch out some of the circles that you could punch out of the sheet from Cheeky Studio. And then I put some clear epoxy stickers right over top, so it looks like I made my own flair. So I'm kind of playing with this. On the sketch, the banner was where you were supposed to do your journaling, but I'm just going to turn it around. What I like about a sketch is that you look at it and it's a base. Like, it's where you can start making your layout, and then once you get to the embellishment parts, then you can kind of tweak it how, you know, it fits better your photos. Because I wanted to use that big good times, I at first thought I would put it right underneath that banner, but then I decided, oh, I kind of like it at the bottom of that big square that was 8 by 7. And I know I want to do something different than what was on the sketch. I'm not quite sure what it is yet, so when I don't know what I'm going to do next, I move on to something that I already know what I want to do. So I had punched out a circle, turned it into a flare, put a little banner at the bottom of the layout, and then I took some of the flowers from the wildflowers and made myself a little cluster. And on the flowers it said sassy, and then it said on the circle it said LOL. So it was perfect for these pictures because this was my trip to New York, and 3 of the people on here, we were staying in the same room, and the 4th person, we just met her on the trip, and she hung out with us for one of the days, and we had a bunch of fun. So this is where I decide, yes, I want to do my journaling right underneath the photos. So I take a project life card, I cut it down so it's the same size as the little banner, and then I'm going to stick it underneath the photo. I had used another sticker, a circle sticker, and instead on the banner where I was supposed to do the journaling, I'm just going to take a circle, and I cut it in about 1/4 and 2/3, or in 2/3, and then the part that was left over, I'm going to put it with that journaling card underneath my photos. So I'm going to take some wet glue, some quick dry adhesive, and I'm going to glue down my title. So this came in the Cheeky Studio kit, and I thought it was perfect. I was able to use it for this page. And that's going to complete this layout. And if you want to know more about Cheeky Studio, I'll have all the information in the description box below. And also, if you're interested in the products, I have a discount code for you. If you just type in Nicole Jones 911, you'll get 10% off your order. Now, the 10% off doesn't apply to the Kit Club, but anything else in the shop, you can get 10% off discount. So that's a pretty good deal. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you would mind giving me a thumbs up and maybe leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.